Hello everyone. In this presentation, we shall be discussing about algal blooms. What are algal blooms? The profuse accumulation of algal population either in fresh water or marine water or in any aquatic system is called as algal bloom. Algae are small photosynthetic organisms that live suspended just beneath the water surface. They utilize sun's energy and raw materials to make their own food. The major types of algae that contribute to algal bloom formation are the blue-green algae, the green alga, and diatoms. Algal blooms are mainly contributed by the rapid growth of microscopic unicellular algae, which often results in discoloration in water. Cyanobacteria blooms in freshwater lakes or rivers may appear bright green, often with surface streaks which look like floating paint. Chlorella, Oscillatoria, Anabina, Microcystis are few examples which cause water blooms. The harmful algal blooms in marine environment are often called red tides. Microscopic algae not only contribute to algal bloom formation, but macroscopic algae may also be responsible to algal bloom formations, thus resulting in kelp forests. An algal bloom affects the whole ecosystem. During the process of algal bloom formation, nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus builds up in the lake or pond over time, causing an increase in algal growth, thus leading to eutrophication. Harmful algal blooms, or otherwise called as HAB, can appear as greenish scum or mat or just below the surface of water and can take on various colors depending on their pigments. There can be a number of reasons that lead to algal bloom formation. It can be naturally occurring due to various biogeochemicals occurring inside the aquatic body. The major reason for bloom formation are the human activities. Letting of fertilizers, chemical pesticides, waste, and other toxic effluents into the nearby pond or stream can pollute the water. Leaching of these pollutants into aquatic bodies such as ponds, streams, and lakes increase the nutrient content. Dumping of organic waste in the water bodies are also the main reasons for the occurrence of algal blooms. So this is an image which shows the various causes that can lead to algal bloom formation. So climatic change is also another important factor which contributes to the profuse growth of these algae. Effects of algal blooms can trigger a series of events. The profuse mat-like growth on the surface of the water body may prevent the sunlight from reaching the surface. As a result, the lower lying surface animals and small plants, because of want of sunlight, may over a period of time die. There is an increase in the bacterial population which uses up the oxygen. Therefore, there is the increase in biological oxygen demand. Aquatic organisms and fishes also die due to lack of oxygen. The blue-green algae release a lot of toxins, also called as algal toxins or cyanotoxins, into the water bodies, which are very harmful to human as well as animals. Any kind of exposure to the water activities can be harmful to humans, particularly if these toxins come in contact with our skin and other sensitive areas such as mouth, ears, eyes, and throat. Swallowing or inhalation of this water can lead to adverse health effects, from mild skin rashes to even death. Acute illness caused by short term exposure to cyanobacteria and cyanotoxins during recreational activities include hay fever like symptoms, skin rashes, allergy, respiratory, and gastrointestinal distress. Exposure to drinking water contaminated with elevated concentrations of microcystin and cylindrospermopsin can cause liver and kidney damage. Anatoxin, a group of cyanotoxin, can also bring about tingling sensation, numbness, drowsiness, paralysis, and also may lead to death. These toxins can be very harmful, may also lead to Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease. These are some of the examples of cyanotoxin: microcystin, nodularin, anatoxin, etc. So the main contributors of these toxins are Microcystis, Anabaena, oscillatoria, Lyngbia. How can we control these blooms? Use of other animals to prey on algal blooms, like filter feeding oysters, sponges. Prohibition of dumping industrial or domestic sewage waste into water bodies. Enforcing stringent laws against any kind of waste disposal into aquatic bodies. Recycling of waterways, as well as frequent cleaning of water bodies. Thank you.